Hello, ma'am.
Hello, good evening. Good evening. Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty well, and I was looking forward this conversation. Now I am so happy to be here on your YouTube channel. Thank
Okay.
you.
So, thank you so much for joining me. And before diving into the session, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, yeah, it's an my honor for introducing myself. Okay, so we can say my name is Seema Verma. I dwell in Kanpur, UP. I am homemaker. And nowadays, I possess English communication skill. I hold master degree. Moreover, I run my YouTube channel, which names Learn English with Seema. I teach some students spoken English. I was teaching in a school, but I quit my job. Now I am teaching offline, online at home. So yes,
Okay.
that's all about myself. Yes,
Okay. So, shall I go for my introduction?
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Mamta Mok. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry and as well as BEd degree. And along with I qualified CTET examination and I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan. And nowadays I am running a small YouTube channel that name is Mamta's Mighty. That's all about me. So, ma'am, nowadays which subject are you teaching?
English is spoken.
English.
Now,
You are,
actually,
you are providing
yeah,
English speaking classes. Are you providing?
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Online and offline both.
Yes.
Okay, and I think you are not joining any type of school.
Yeah, I was actually teaching.
Mhm.
It was Hindi medium school, but I was teacher of English subject. I used to teach after seeing book. ITAS English, it's very easy. We know what is written. We have to teach while watching and while seeing everything. We know we have to give question answer and we have to check copy. It's so easy. But spoken English, it is
It's a totally
more
different.
difficult.
Mhm.
Yeah, than ITAS English because we have to make or cook and bowl story. We should be aware what is being asked. Whatever we have to give question answer. So we should know everything. We have
Mhm.
to make our story, not bookies, ITAS English.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you are teaching. So how is your feeling?
Language teacher, I know
Sorry.
but yeah, spoken English, if you are good at English, then you can get handsome salary as well. So I praise myself. Yeah, nowadays you can say horse makes friendship to grass stops. So everybody wants to get money. We know money riches have big, but everybody wants to get money. Now we are connecting, so we had to pay money. We had to get recharge. We had to connect. Now everybody is buying a laptop because as a homemaker, we always want to show ourselves. If we have knowledge, then social media is a ubiquitous. We can impart our knowledge through social media. So we should have full of network.
Mhm.
We are paying that we want to get money through teaching. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, it's night platform for everyone. We can say especially girls, like they can't go outside. They are staying at home. They are managing everything. So it is good for ourselves. Like we can teach from online. So everything is good from our side. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, how many sessions do you take in a day? How many
So
sessions?
this is my third. Yeah, this is my third. Actually, depend on my time. Sometimes I had to go outside, then I always flip my session. So
Okay.
depend on my time.
So, ma'am,
Yeah,
you have a
there
lot
is no
of things.
fixed time.
Yeah, you have a lots of things in your plate. How are you managing this
Yeah,
type?
yeah, I have to actually manage my time management because if you are disciplined and you manage your time, because we always think about other person like our husband and children, and if we are living in a joint family, we have to do so many work. So if we are doing something for ourselves, we have to get out. So because now we nobody said us you have to do this, you can impart knowledge, you can learn. That is our skill. So whenever I get time, I always connect with person, always say, कि, yeah, there's so many groups, there's so many people, and there's so many apps. And I was connecting with the English Yari. I used to learn so many things. I got confidence as well. Before that, I didn't have, but now I need person. So now there's so many people in our group, YouTubers, and who want to learn this language. They are not YouTuber. They always figure out the person, yeah, who want to connect.
Mm-hmm.
Now we should not procrastinate ourselves. I always try to get time. Yeah, now I have time, so I have to connect with person. I can read book. I can uh, make video. I can upload video. Actually, I upload twice videos in week. First, I want to improve my English.
Yes,
So
yes.
for Ally My channel, I can upload twice video in week. So that is okay. Yeah. So I always connect with person. I always read book, and while teaching, I'm learning because nowadays students are very smart. They know because they are spoken. They are taught everything in their school. So they have to speak in their school, but they don't have outside knowledge. They have bookish knowledge. Hmm? So they don't have confidence. So as a teacher, as a spoken teacher, we should have confidence, then we can impart our confidence to students.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah,
Definitely, ma'am.
by teaching them also. No.
Before teaching, we have to prepare ourselves also, because like different type of mindset students. So like we have to teach their method. Like some of the student they catch quickly, some of the student they take times. So
Hmm.
according to student, we have to teach.
Yes, yes.
And like you told me, like I'm taking session in a day, three of session you are taking. So like you have plethora of contents. And you are another thing is you are saying like in a week I am uploading only five sessions. So why are you uploading
Yeah,
only
but they
five?
upload,
Mhm. You
you
should
know, they
upload every
upload
day.
videos. They, yeah, they collaborate with my channel.
Okay, okay, they are
So that is a
collaborating.
good.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So that's why you are doing.
Oh,
Okay, and like as much as you are getting time, so you are trying to speak with them, and you are enhancing yourself.
yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yes, actually, if somebody sends message, then we should give time. We should not say, yeah, I don't have time, I can't connect with you. So I never say. So I always connect with every person. I'm not advanced level, but yeah, I try to connect with every person who is beginner, who is advanced level person. So, yeah,
Yes, ma'am. It is.
because now we
It
are
is.
family member of social media.
Mhm. Yeah,
Yes.
if we are like augmenting our knowledge, with the another person, like someone, or it doesn't matter, like someone has how much knowledge, like because people are different perspectives, so they has a different type of knowledge. So if we are connecting different type of state, different type of areas, so we gain knowledge from them. And some of students vocab is different, our vocab is different. So like if we are using any type of vocab, and he or she is using different type of vocab, so we catch from there also, so it is the benefit for us.
Yes. Yes, and nowadays there's so many vocabs, but after seeing person we should use, we should start with simple vocabs.
Mhm.
And if you are advanced level person, then but we have to learn. If you are saying something with the new vocabs, so we have to grab everything. We should know. So learning process actually you can say for lifetime
Mhm.
process.
Yeah, I have
So we
also.
have to learn everything.
Mhm.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
even.
can now. I actually I was watching news. So we should learn every day. We should learn something five vocabs
Mhm.
every day because we are learning. And
Yeah.
yeah, we should be consider ourselves as a student until we die. Because if you consider you are a trainer, you are satiated of this English. You don't want to
Oh
learn.
no, when I we can focus, if we are going to focus on the vocab, so plethora of content related to vocab, we can't learn those type of every vocab. It is difficult. So suppose we are going to study, it is not cup of tea for everyone. We can't learn all the vocab. So every person
So
needs
many people
vocab
actually
different.
are you also have learned so many vocabs. I also have learned so, but we are not comfortable while
Mhm.
using in conversation.
Mhm.
We feel, yeah, it can be wrong. and video is being recorded, it can be wrong. Then we should use simple vocabs. So it means we are not habitual of the new vocabs. So that is the reason we have to practice.
Yeah, ma'am, you are saying correct. And like nowadays we are like totally indulge, we can say we are accustomed totally to learn this language, because like if we are opening our mobile phone to watch anything, so that time like it comes related to any reel, it comes to related to English content and any podcast,
Yes.
and sometimes we get notification related to only English. So nowadays we are totally indulged in this language ever since
Yes.
we have started to learning this page.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes. I also,
And now
when I watch
we
any
are enjoying to learn
any
this
new,
page, because like we are
yes,
connecting, we are getting knowledge, so we are enjoying, we can say, and we are meeting
if
the
you
new
enjoy,
to the new people. So it is also wonderful because we are getting
wonderful.
opportunity. Mhm.
Yes. We are getting so many comrade,
Comrade,
that friend, bosom friend, comrade.
comrade.
See you, comrade. It means a friend who always stand by you in every situation.
Okay,
Bosom
okay,
friend.
okay. Wow, you are using lots of vocab. Every day are you learning?
Yeah, I
Five
learn every
vocab.
day.
Yeah, you five
Yeah,
vocab.
not
You are.
five, three vocabs. Yeah, three vocabs. So
I also observe some of vocab every day, but like I don't use each and every vocab. Some of vocab I am using, some of vocab. Suppose today I read some of vocab, so I don't know today I will use or not. Like tomorrow, any day I can use this vocab, and like I do repeat so
yes,
that I can remember long time. Mhm.
yes. So for actually persuaded, मतलब याद करना. Okay.
Mhm.
For
Yeah.
this, yeah. So you have to say 20 times with sentence.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Like any vocab you have learned, and you are speaking until you are not you are comfortable of this.
You are. Your voice is not
So
audible.
you have
You are. You are. Your. Please speak a
yeah.
little bit loudly. Mhm.
Hello, hello.
Mhm. Now
Yeah.
you can speak.
So, if you learned any vocab,
Mm-hmm.
so you have to keep speaking until you are habitual of this vocab with the
Mm-hmm.
sentence.
Yeah. Yeah, we should
So
speak.
then you
Like the
feel
thing is that, ma'am, we should not pressure. Like I have to learn only one in a one day this vocab. Like suppose we come across any vocab, so today we can we can see one time, two time. After then again next day we should repeat, because in a one day it is little bit difficult if we are pushing like you have to learn this vocab only in a day. So that time it would be difficult. But every day, like suppose we are observing five vocab, so every day we can observe a little bit. Automatically it will run. There is
yeah,
no need to push knowingly. You have to learn this vocab. So I
yes,
don't.
every day
Mhm.
actually we always think we are practicing. If we are learning new vocabs, we always think, our mind always say ki, yeah, you are learning. But when we speak our mother tongue language like Hindi, any language,
Mhm.
we never think we are learning. We keep speaking.
Mhm.
But in English language, we always think, yeah, we are learning this. So
Mhm.
we have to actually ignore think we are learning. We have to speak
Mhm.
like like we are speaking this language. Now we are speaking. You are asking, I'm giving answer. We are not thinking we are learning, because now we are habitual of this language. But now we are coming about new vocabs. We want to
Mhm.
polish our conversation. We want to speak impromptu immaculately. Hmm? And we want to use new vocabs because everybody wants to polish their conversation with the new vocabs and idioms.
Mhm.
So for this, we have to learn. We have to learn with the sentence. We can make any cook and roll story new, like we have learned today. We have learned new five vocabs.
Mhm.
So whatever we have five vocabs, we can make a story about
Yeah,
this.
like we can take a help with the Chat GPT, Gemini,
You are
whatever
not
we are
audible.
using. Yeah.
You are not audible.